Hey there. Want to hear a super funny story? It's about a silly monkey and a sleepy king. Okay, here we go. Once, in a big kingdom called Kalkaya, there was a king named Gangadhar. He was super nice. And guess what? He had a pet monkey named Gangu. Gangu was kinda crazy, but the king loved him a lot. One day, after eating a huge lunch, the king yawned and said, "I need a nap." So he went to his room. Gangu followed him and started fanning him like this, whoosh whoosh, so the king could sleep better. So nice, right? But, oh no! A big buzzy fly came and sat on the king's head. Gangu waved the fan, but the fly just came back. Gangu was like, "This fly is so annoying." He tried everything, jumping, clapping, even spinning, but the fly kept buzzing. Then the fly landed right on the king's nose. Gangu got super mad. He saw a sword and said, "I'll get that fly." He swung the sword, but guess what? The fly flew away, and the king's nose got hit. Oh! The king woke up and yelled, "Ow! My nose." He looked at Gangu and was so mad. He said, "You meant well, but you didn't think." Then he told Gangu to leave the palace. Oh, poor Gangu. Yeah, sometimes, even if someone loves you, they can still mess up big time. Moral: choose your friends wisely. If you like this story and want to watch similar stories, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Once There Was a Tale.